Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do an in-depth review of my 2024 bag from Hermes. This bag has quickly become one of my everyday favorites and actually is one of the reasons, like, this bag inspired me to reduce the number of bags that I own because of its versatility and how much I want to be using this bag and how many places I feel like I can take this bag and just like all of the details and features of this bag. I am like a really big fan. I'm loving it. I'm so happy I got it. I'm really happy I got it in the gold color too. So without further ado, let's get into it. This is the Hermes 2024 bag in the mini size, but it is not a mini bag by any means. I was filling up this bag. It's actually kind of heavy right now because it's so full. There's way more stuff than I would normally carry, and I was like looking for more things to put in to really fill it up. You can fit a ton in this little cute little dumpling bag, and as you can see, I have mine dressed up. So this little top handle, which actually is a really handy feature. I love a bag with a top handle. It's just makes life so much easier, so much better. It's very functional to have a top handle. It's very good. Okay, but I added this little twilly, and then I have my little I guess it's called a rodeo because it's a horse, right? Not rodeo. Anyway, a little horse charm from Hermes too. All right, so the features of this bag. The construction on this bag are like impeccable. This little like seam feature here, I've never seen anything like that before. Just like the construction overall is stunning, 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 stunning. Anyway, so the features of the bag, it has this really nice top handle. Maybe I have to take off all of the dressing so you can see her in her purity, in her pure form, even though I did a really cute job tying this twilly on. Devastating to take it off. Just, you know, it's like a French tuck. Once you get it right, you're like, please don't make me have to, like, I don't know, go to the bathroom or something, because I'll never get the French tuck right again. Okay, it's fine. She's naked. Oh, just the details of this bag. So you can see how the handle is stitched on, and it has these really cool covers on it. So it's like very secure. This plate in the front, mine has fingerprints all over it, palladium hardware. So it's a turn lock opening. This front flap is like hard, like stiff. I don't know what is in there. It looks like a single piece of leather, but it could have like a cardboard or something in there. I don't know. And then this front plate is also hard, but this makes it actually quite easy to like line up and get it shut. Like it's not sloppy ploppy. It's crispy in a good way. Then, so you see the bag, this part, the back is higher than the front because of the way that it folds over. So you see that it looks kind of even, but it's actually like this down. So this is like taller in the back. And then there's a little back pocket. This does not fit a phone, but you can put like a little lip gloss or a card or something back there. And I mean, so it doesn't hold a phone for walking around, but if you wanted, and my phone has a bulky case on it, like when you're sitting at the table, you can have your phone in it kind of like that. So like you have your phone in your hand, and you just stick it in the pocket and whatever. So that does have that. So then you open it up, and I had so much stuff inside, I just pulled my phone out. But it's like completely, you can see, so I'm trying to show you the construction. This extra seam here, it's like a third piece of leather that peeks out to have it completely smooth, and it opens like a mouth so you can see in pretty well. There's a back zip pocket here with a really nice metal zipper back here. Oh, that's where I put my house key. Okay, I have my real house key back there. I put my backup house key in here. And let me show you all the stuff that fits inside. So, oh, and there's an adjustable strap. We'll come to the adjustable strap later. I'm going to stop after we go over what's in it, get up and do some like mod shots for you. And we'll talk about the adjustable strap. Preview note, some people say they don't like this bag because when you hold it up like this, the bag tilts forward. However, I have an answer to this. Ugh. And also the way these D-rings are attached is just like triple secured. It's so good. Okay, anyway, what's in my bag? All right, so in here, and you can see there's still room. So with the phone, and I have a giant phone, like there's still room. You could fit like a small scarf. I don't know. It's just, there's so much room in here. Okay, so I have the phone. I have a backup battery. I have giant sunglasses. I have coin purse. I have a card holder, but you could totally fit like a small wallet. Probably not a full-size wallet just because of the length here. I have my backup keys because I couldn't find my real key, which is also in this bag, but it's just in loose. My car key. I need a new key holder. Okay. Hand sanitizer, full size. Okay. What else? AirPod Pro. Oh my gosh, things are falling. Two lips and cuticle balm. That was everything that was in there, and there was still room for more. I could have put a lotion, I could have put tissues, I could have put like a whole other lifetime worth of stuff in here. And the bottom of this bag is also like reinforced. Like when you saw it and it was full of stuff, it wasn't sagging. I don't think it can really sag, but also it's like the bottom is like, you hear that? Like a little hard, like that. Okay. Let me put a few items in it. Pause, you guys, and I'll meet you standing up like 3 feet that way. Okay, fine. Okay, hi, we're back. So this bag has 3 sets of 3 holes. There's this one here where we are now. So I'm at the shortest of the short set of 3. Or no, the longest set of the shortest set of 3. There's the middle set of 3, and then there's the long set of 3 here. So on the shortest set of 3, like the difference between it is literally like an inch. You get an extra inch here or there. So it's like not, I mean, I think they did 3 just to be cute, but I'm not being exact about it. I will use the middle hole for each of the sets. Does that make sense? So there's 3, 3, 3, and we're gonna go middle, middle, middle. Okay. So we're on the shortest setting in the middle. You can see here, doubled up or long. So doubled up, yeah, the bag's tilting forward, right? And I'm not wearing the best shirt for this, but that's okay. You put it on your shoulder like this, and it is not falling away from the body. It is like, and it's a little bit short for me right here, but it's like leaning into my body because you're not holding it out like this and it's like tilting forward. When you're wearing it, your body is here, and so it like rests up against you. So because my body pushes the bottom part of the bag, it doesn't tilt, and it also counteracts the weight. So it's like very secure on my shoulder. It's like not gonna fall off my shoulder. It's like not really slipping off. It's tight on there. So this is doubled up on the shortest setting. You know, like I think this is like a little bit more dressy, kind of like the 90s vibe. Now in my color, it's not super dressy, but where I live in California, pretty much could be considered dressy enough for like basically almost any occasion. Then long on the shortest setting, it makes a really cute shoulder bag like that. Okay, and so then you'll see, right, like this, the bag tilts, but when I wear it on my hip, it touches my body, and so it tilts straight up and down. And it kind of keeps it, like, it's like a counterweight almost. And so it keeps it on my shoulder, because it's like my hips pushing here, pushing this out, which kind of like brings it into me. And I don't know, like the way I feel like it's very intelligently designed for the weight. So many bags I have like that you could wear like this will literally like be sliding off your shoulder the whole time. But like, she's on there. This is, look at this test. Like how far over do I have to tilt for it to fall? Like it's not. You know what I mean? Like, is that a funny test? Okay, now I'm gonna adjust her to the middle of the middle setting. So for this, oh, and crossbody, I guess this would be a very high crossbody on me, or I guess relatively high. So it's like the handle's touching my boob, which I don't really like. But if you're really petite, this is a good option for you. Okay. So next up is we're gonna go to the middle set. Oh my goodness. Come on, guys. Come on, Maddie. All right. The middle of the middle set. And this is probably the setting I use most. And then there's another little one down here for the tail, so you don't have like a wild tail, and it actually works pretty well. Okay. This is hard to do on command. Okay, middle. This is it on the shoulder. So it's a good length for on the shoulder here too. Maybe a little bit low, but it works. This is the setting I like best for crossbody, honestly. I think that's it's like right at my waist. And you can see it's touching my hip, so it's tilting in. It's not like pulling away like how it is when you hold it up. It like sits really nicely. Okay, and then doubled up. And I think this is the length I like doubled up too. So you see it just like rests on my waist and sits like really nicely here. And it's like not falling off. In fact, as I lean away, because it's tilting forward, it's like keeping it on my shoulder. Somebody who understands physics better than me needs to like write the formula, but I promise you, because it's leaning forward, is what's keeping it on the shoulder. So the exact thing that people don't like about it is the thing that makes it so genius. I am just, I do not get paid for selling these, by the way. I'm just like the hugest fan. Okay, then on the longest setting, so the other thing that's great about this bag, so you saw like the shortest setting, it was pretty short. So if you're like very petite, but also if you're not as petite, this could also be a great bag for you. Because look at this. This is the middle of the longest setting. So on my shoulder, if you were like if you're a 6 foot tall person, this is great. It's like down below my shorts. Quite long, right? Very, very long. Crossbody, very long. Again, like way down low, super down low. So if you were like, I don't know, 7 feet tall, 350 pounds, this would still go crossbody on you. You know what I mean? Like there's room both directions. It's very long on me. Then, so that's crossbody, shoulder, and then doubled up. This is actually a nice length for me, doubled up. This is like, the other one is probably ideal. This one's a little bit longer, but it's kind of cool, long like that. And again, because the bag's tilting forward, it's pushing against my body and it's not gonna fall off my shoulder. I literally have to, okay, there we go. We got it to fall off my shoulder, but I swear it's like a physics thing. This bag is so amazing. I love it so much. Okay, now obviously, this is a very expensive bag. It's Hermes, for one. For two, even by Hermes standards, it's like in the range of like a Birkin or Kelly bag. Now, my thing is like, if you just want Birkin Kelly, get a Birkin, get a Kelly. I have both. I love them. They're great. They're fantastic. But if you have a couple Birkins, you have a couple Kellys, or like, you know what I mean? If you already have a lot of bags, I already had a lot of bags. So it's not like, when I say like, I need this bag, like need is not the word, right? Like we collect, we enjoy, we have a lot of these bags. This is a really good buy, especially if you're like looking for something, you know what I mean? Like I wanted to be into Loewe. I couldn't get into Loewe, but this is kind of like Loewe-y. It's like Hermes does Loewe. It's kind of like puzzle bag substitute. It's kind of like, I don't know, like that. Like, I don't want to be like, it's quiet luxury. I feel like that's overdone, but it is kind of like that, where people be like, oh my God, where'd you get that bag? And I'd be like, oh, I got it in Paris. And they're like, where? And I'm like, Hermes. But it's, you know what, like, it's, I don't know, it's just so good. It's just so good. The details are so amazing. Look how shiny that still is. You can see yourselves in the camera. It's so pretty. It's so easy. Like, my only regret is not getting the original one in baton. Honestly, I could do another one of these one day, not right now. Right now, I'm literally using this every day. So this bag has kind of inspired me to narrow things down, honestly. Like, it's just, all right. You guys get it. But I would say if you're considering this bag, if you already have a bunch of Hermes bags, or if you're just like not that fixated on getting a Birkin or Kelly, this is an amazing, amazing, amazing alternative. Like, the quality is there. The details are there. It's literally everything. It's delicious and good. It looks like a little dumpling. It's the sweetest little thing. And do not be thrown by the tilting here. I swear it's by design, physics, to keep it on your shoulder. And that's like the best. Okay, anyway, I will let you guys go. I hope you're all having a really great day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And then otherwise, I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye guys.